Good morning, folks. This is S&BDIARIES of our trip down to South Wales in Pembrokeshire. Today we're at Aggregate Beach. Up on in front of you, in the top of your picture, you can see some bright yellow flowers. Looking down on the beach, at the car park where we've just parked, and we're heading off up this path, which is an area managed by the National Trust, and we're heading down towards the Blue Lagoon. So we've just arrived at the entrance gate to the Blue Lagoon, which was a former slate quarry which closed in the early 1900s. And here's the gate, and off we go. There's a couple of people in front of us. We're just going to go this way now. When you're out in the countryside, folks, if you go through a gate, always close it. Yes. Just showing you a bit of the coastline there. So we've arrived now at the Blue Lagoon. As I said, it was a slate quarry which was up until 1910. It was formed when the channels connecting the sea was blasting, allowing the seawater to flood in. The ruined quarry buildings sit on the cliff top where the workmen's cottages around the local area can be still seen today. So this particular area is also renowned for sea adventures, for people jumping in and off cliffs, in and out the water. We have a group here in front of you with red helmets on, just getting their instruction from the local guides. They're about to jump into the water. It's mostly children here this morning. Showing you the rocky outcrop here. It's another group there. These ones have got yellow and orange helmets on. It's a beautiful rocky outcrop here. There's a little tower at the top there. I guess that was like a former lighthouse. Now I'm going to walk round towards the Blue Lagoon, which is just round the other side here. Went with a bang. So the Blue Lagoon, surrounded by ruggy rocks, was formed the main slate quarry of St Bride's, which was active until around 1910. The slate in the ground gives the water a brilliant aqua blue colour after it was abandoned and closed and flooded. Recently it's been used by the Red Bull cliff diving team. You would have probably seen that on the television. Just showing you now some of the slate here. Coming around. You can see it here. I'll go and get a bit closer. It's amazing colours in the rocky slate. So here we are, folks, at the Blue Lagoon. It's very busy now, lots of people. It's quite, as you can see, it's quite high-sided. Lots of people jumping into the water. In the center of your picture there. A couple of people coming back in there. Paddle boats there coming back inside. There's a few swimmers just going out. A couple of youngsters up there in their life vests. There's the headland out there. Yeah, he's thinking about kayakers just come back in.
Is it worth coming?
Yes, very nice.
What do you think? Is it worth coming?
It's worth a visit, yeah. So this is the Blue Lagoon. Aggregate Valley. Yeah. Yeah, you can. It's fighting the current.
Oh, the current?
Yeah.
You want to go back here?
And that's it for now, guys. You can see the wonderful colour of the rock in the hillside there. We're on Aggregate Beach, and you can see there's like a tower on the top left of your picture. Now I've zoomed in a bit for you. Behind there is the Blue Lagoon, but looking at it from here you wouldn't know it was there. Looking out onto the beach, the water is absolutely freezing today. I've tried to go, but I only covered my ankles. That was enough. There's a view down the beach. So I hope you folks enjoyed watching your tour of the Blue Lagoon here on the west coast of Wales. And it's bye for now from S&B Diaries, and we hope to see you all again soon. Thank you for watching.